Moved out here to the ocean. That is ridiculous. That thing is huge. Holy cow. Well, good morning, my lovely friends. I am over here still in Key West, but I'm not at the campground. I moved actually this morning. I was supposed to change spots because I had added on those days, and so I have a water spot now that I moved to, including the golf cart, but it's a bit of a cloudy day. My batteries completely died last night because I couldn't charge them. They wouldn't let me actually run the RV during the middle of the day over there, even though it's not loud or anything, but it has a little bit of exhaust, and that's just really packed in tight over there. You get a little bit of exhaust like in the very beginning, and then it goes away, but I get it. So I didn't want to bother people and be a nuisance, so I got up early this morning because the batteries had been off for probably about 5 hours, which means my refrigerator wasn't on, and nor was my freezer, so I didn't open them just to make sure that they stayed nice and cold in there. And then I got up early and moved out here to the ocean where Lily and I were at yesterday for a little bit. So you're allowed to actually park over here. This is a free spot, but it's a very cloudy day, so I keep having to run the engine to get the batteries charged. So even with it being bright and sunny and the clouds, it's getting a little bit of solar, but not as much as I want before I actually go back to the campground. I'm actually still having the issue with my holding tank for the cassette toilet. I fixed it this morning, but then it got messed up again, so I don't know what I'm gonna do just yet. I ordered another holding tank. I finally found one. Maury from Traveling Solo, he's my friend. He found one for me yesterday. Thank you. He's the best, man. He really is. He's so good about finding stuff and researching things, and I rely on him a lot. He knows it. Thank you, Maury. He's a good friend. That's coming, but it's coming from the United Kingdom because they do not have any here in the US. I cannot find anybody who has them. And the people that I found on eBay that sell them, they don't ship to the United States for some reason. I'm actually having it shipped to my friend Anthony up in Jacksonville, Florida, which I'll be up there sometime within the month, and then I can grab it and replace my holding tank if I can't get this thing fixed still. I'm gonna go in. I need to do some work. I'm still charging the batteries. I'm charging the Jackery to make sure I have enough power before I go back into the campground. All right, guys, so we are at the new site over here. Let's see if I can get a better view. So we have the water behind us. There's a boat dock over there. So my golf cart, and of course the van. My site, it's a small site, but it's perfect for the van. Got a picnic table, and then this is the view. The wind feels really good right here too. Oh my gosh. It is hot, humid. I'm actually leaving here tomorrow, so that'll have been 4 days here. That was plenty, and I need to do some repairs on this van. I need to get that stuff situated, and I know, wah. You guys have asked me all the time, you're gonna need your AC when you're out here on the East Coast. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna acclimate. No, I need it. I need it. So I already have a campground booked at Thousand Trails when I was leaving here, and I just changed the date to tomorrow, and they accepted, and so I'm gonna be over there tomorrow and have hookups. I'm so excited. I can turn this AC on all the time, although maybe I will not need it. I don't know. So it looks like it's probably gonna rain, but we're still gonna go. Come on, up. Go. Good girl, up. Good girl, right there, stay. But we're still gonna go with it. We've got a little windshield thing here that'll protect us from the rain, and we'll just get wet. Might be good, you never know. Lily may not like it, but we're gonna do it. And by the way, this shirt I got off of Amazon. It's one of those shirts that's like dry fit, and it has the UVF, 50, SPF 50, UVF I think is what it's called. So it protects you from the sun. I should probably keep the sleeves down, but I didn't. So anyways, this was supposed to be light blue. It looks more like green to me, so I don't know, but it's really cool. I like it. I'm gonna get some more, you know. These are good shirts. There's a Caribbean jerk restaurant over here. I think we're gonna try it out. cloud cover, it feels even better. It's a little breezy out. Yeah, still humid. I'm just waiting till I can acclimate to all of this, and then I'll get on the west coast and just be cold. It's true, you know it. Alright. We're leaving the campground. The jerk. Oh, this is super cute. Hi, hello. How are you?
How you doing?
Good. Alright guys, this is called The Jerk Caribbean Restaurant over here on Stock Island. I recommended the jerk chicken.
Yes.
And I'm gonna get one side, the french fries.
Okay.
This place is so cute. So this is called The Jerk. It's just a food truck area over here. And we've got these really cool places to just sit and eat. Big table, get some drinks. He said just to grab one. Nice cold beverage. Just a very eclectic, cool place that you can hang out. Let's just see what we have here. Oh my goodness. That looks so good.
Lily smells it, don't you? You smell it.
Uh-huh.
Does it smell good? Does it smell good? Sit down. Sit down.
Good girl. Good girl. Oh, look at that. It's got a good crust on it. Mm-hmm. This must be the seasoning for it. Or the sauce. I actually used to make my own jerk chicken seasoning and grill the chicken. Oh my god. That is like seriously the best jerk chicken I've ever had in my life. Oh my gosh, it's like smoked meat. Oh my gosh. I may have to get them to give me like a whole meal to take home for tomorrow or something. I'm gonna try with the sauce now. Oh my gosh. That is ridiculous. Off the charts. Ooh, it's spicy too. Lily, why did you eat your french fry? Because she had chicken first. Now she doesn't want the fry. No. You want the chicken, don't you? You want chicken. Good girl. You want the french fry? Eat the french fry. No french fry? Eat the french fry. No? That crazy girl. You want the chicken. You want the chicken. That, oh my god. I've never had chicken like that before in my life.
Okay, that's good.
Who makes that? You guys do?
We do, yeah.
Jose?
And Dion right over here.
Dion? You guys are the owners?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Guys, this was literally the best chicken I've ever had in my life. It was like the smoked chicken. It's smoked, right?
Yes.
Okay, smoked, and the flavor was amazing. It's a little spicy. It's got like, I don't know, it's not really a sweetness to it, right?
Well, yeah, there's a sweetness to it, yeah.
Yeah, there's a little bit of sweetness.
It's called love.
It's called love?
Love.
That's the best, right? Love. Okay. I love it.
It's called love.
Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. That was really low. Holy cow. I just love the architecture here. It's so cool. You'll notice is that the street signs here are painted on the poles. That's just in some of the areas. It's not every area, but the back roads, it's like that a lot. Again, Highway 1 North, it's mile marker 0. Right there. So it says, it was a sacred tree of the Mayan people who believed that the souls of the dead climbed a mythical Kapok, whose branches reached into heaven. This is not surprising, as the Kapok tree can grow 10 feet taller in a year. That thing is huge. Holy cow. Wow, look at that. I've never seen anything like this. Wow. So amazing, look at that. It's beautiful. Look at how flat those edges are right there. It goes all the way up like that. Wow. It's got like these huge indentations in it. It's like a little cave almost in here. But it does certainly look like you could climb that thing all the way to the heavens. Oh, wow. Seriously, seriously beautiful. I'm so glad I found this. I love these trees. Here's the base. There's a limb, and it keeps going all the way out over here. That's pretty spectacular. End of the rainbow. Boy, she is magical, isn't she? Really, seriously, what stories? 10 feet a year. That's impressive. 10 feet a year. You can see the street sign, Simonton. So this place says it's the best Cuban coffee in town. We're gonna try it out. Just right here. Can I get a medium café con leche?
How many you want? Two?
Dos.
Two sure.
Look at Lily. Lily, what are you doing? You're so good, girl. You're so good. Holy, that is good. We're gonna have to let that cool down, but that is really good. Good, guys. Today's our last day here in Key West. I know it's a little sad. We've been here for 4 full days. Well guys, it is evening time here and it is time to hang it up. We've had an amazing time here in Key West and this spot that I'm at is amazing. Like, I wish I had been here the whole time because it's almost chilly right now. It's like the wind is blowing, there's a nice breeze, the inside of the RV is nice and cool. Very, very different than what we were experiencing over on the other side. Ooh, it's windy. Can you hear how windy it is? Hopefully it's not too bad with this microphone. I hope you guys have enjoyed this series over here in Key West. I have absolutely loved it. Even with all the sweating, I think I have sweat more here than I have ever in the last year. It's crazy. And I hope that you are out there also chasing your dreams. Hi! That's what story chasing is about. Chasing your dreams, creating more stories, and living your life without regrets. And if you've never been to Key West, come out here. It's so cool. It can be a little bit crowded sometimes, but how about like renting that golf cart and hanging out over here has been super, super cool. I've really, really enjoyed it. Thank you again for being on this journey, for supporting my channel as always. I was just reading all of your comments a moment ago about the ending to all of my videos and how I have this new kind of inspirational message and motivational message that I've been implementing the last month and a half now, and how it's really resonating with you all. So thank you so much for commenting and validating what I'm doing. I really appreciate it. All right guys, I will see you in tomorrow's video. All right, good night.